Now, here is one of my secrets. Instead of looking inside the register, one of the things that I will do is run a profit and loss report and drill into an income category and then filter for the deposits. And that also tells me that if there was duplicated revenue. So I'm going to go into reports and I'm going to run a profit and loss report. And it defaulted to last year because I changed my reports before. And then I'll go into whichever the accounts, and you have to do this for all of your income accounts. And I'll go into construction income. And then what I will do is customize this and filter it so that the transaction type is only deposits, and run the report again. And now I have 2 other deposits that were probably also wrong. And so if I click on that one, I can then see that it was written down at the bottom. And I would again find it up here at the top and make the match and then trash can the bottom part of it. And then if you don't see it here, you have some other research to do. But what I want you to come away with is filtering your P&L report in an income category will show you which transactions were potentially duplicates. So that's one of my Hoot tips.